Hey there, my name is Dimitri from Knack, and in this video, I'm really excited to show you a great video that we have for you today from Knack Flows. So Knack Flows is awesome. It's simply amazing because it allows you to take all of the great aspects of products like Zapier or Make.com and integrate them right into your no-code app of choices workflows. So in this video, I'm going to show you an example of how we can actually use OpenAI or the different ChatGPT modules, one could say, in order to help you with your content management system. So I'm just going to start by either using a template, or in this case, let's use generative AI. I'm going to make a content management template system for a content creation agency, then press create. And it's going to create with AI a simple but effective AI enhanced content management system. All right, let's see the app. Awesome, this is cool. So we have some projects, some clients, some content pieces, very cool stuff. Blog posts, infographics, nice, love this. Great setup. So let's say, for example, with Knack Flows, you'll see that we have some content pieces here. I just simply want for the content pieces to add a couple of different things. So I'm going to add some fields. So I'm going to do one for a paragraph text, and I'm going to call it content summary. And then I'm going to add another field, and I'm going to call it paragraph text, content ideas expanded. So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to go to Knack Flows, and we're going to create a flow from scratch for this. And we're going to say ideate and create more ideas and image based on new content idea. Okay, so we're going to add a trigger, and the trigger is going to be a new content piece being made inside of a Knack row. So I'm going to make a Knack record created trigger and select it in the content management template and grab content pieces. So anytime there's a new content piece made, what I want to do is utilize the full power of OpenAI here. So I'm going to type OpenAI, okay? And then I'm going to have it create a chat completion. So I'm going to connect my OpenAI account. I have to go get my API key from my account and add it here. All right, so I'm just going to create a new secret key and snag this. I'm just going to call it Knack API key. I'm going to copy it, go back to Knack, paste the key in here, and then press continue. And then from there, we're going to be connected to our OpenAI account. So we're all good here. All right, so we're going to create a chat completion. What do I want it to say? Okay, first of all, I want to use ChatGPT 4.0. I'm going to have a 0.9 temperature. And what I want it to do, I want the role to be system. And I want it to say, please take the name and then grab the name from the record created. So like the title and the content type, another hyphen or parentheses. So like type title, and get creative, take the name, the title, the content type. I want to also say, and the description that we're going to put in. So there's going to be a description put in there. That was one of the fields I added. So content summary and the content summary, and add more color to the concept of, and add/expand upon those ideas and concepts to make a more refined content piece for this content idea. Okay, press save. And then from there, what I want to do is I want to go and add another action. And essentially what we're going to do is we're going to take the output of that ChatGPT output, and we are going to update the content piece that we initially created in the first step. Okay, so the record ID is going to be pretty simple, just the record ID from the step one. And we're going to update the content ID is expanded using the response from ChatGPT here. So the response content, okay? All right, so now that we have it set up to update the record for the response content here, we can create our own record inside of the data and test it out. And we're gonna make a new record called How to Make Content with AI. It's gonna be a video. And we're gonna add a content summary that says how this video is going to talk about how to make more content easily with AI. Then press submit and see how the automation fares. All right, as you can see now, it has completed this record update. So let's go check it out. Okay, and if we go here to how to make content with AI, the one that we just tested out, check it out. it made a whole video content summary that then turned into a script. So literally I wrote out an idea and it gave me a script for things like using Pictory, which is an AI product that can make it easy to create a video with AI. Step-by-step process for everything. This is awesome. I didn't have to do anything. Seriously, this is the chillest thing I ever did. Now, same thing could work. I could make an infographic if I wanted to use the OpenAI module for creating an image. I totally could. That's on the list for you as well. It's a very simple process and I recommend you trying it out. There's a couple other modules and actions that exist with the OpenAI just to show you before we close out the video. If I go to OpenAI here, you could also create an image, add the image to the record, convert speech to text, do custom API requests if you're more advanced, create embeddings, a bunch of different options. So whatever makes it easier for you to create content or do anything with this OpenAI workflow, I definitely recommend you try it out. This is a really cool system that we have here at Knack. Very easy to have your own automations in here without needing another tool. So I recommend you trying out Knack flows, just like this one with OpenAI today. Thank you so much for watching this video. We appreciate your time and we'll see you in the next one.